Hello, children. Theme 6 Dignity, 5th class, Kalika balavardhane. English. Activity 6.1.1 Read the story. Three Little Pigs. Once there were three little pigs named Sonu, Monu, and Gonu who lived in a small house with their mother. One day their mother said, "This house is too big for all of us. Go and build your own house." So the three pigs went to their way to build their own homes. On the way, they crossed a brick factory. The three pigs asked the factory owner for some bricks to build their home. The owner was not willing to give the bricks for free. He wanted the pigs to buy the bricks. Gonu gave the money and bought the bricks and built his house. Sonu and Monu walked on looking for material that would not cost any money. Like this passage was read. One day a hungry wolf came to Sonu's house. He said, "I will huff and puff and blow your house down." So he huffed and he puffed and he blew Sonu's house down. Sonu ran to Monu's house. The wolf came to Monu's house and he huffed and he puffed and he blew Monu's house down. The wolf came to Gonu's house. Like this, the passage is. Activity 6.1.2 Mark true or false. Mother pig stayed in the house with her three sons. True. The brick factory owner wanted to sell the bricks. True. Sonu and Monu wanted the bricks for free. True. The wolf wanted to eat the pigs. True. Fifth one, sticks are heavier than straw. True. Activity 6.1.3 Answer the following questions. Why was the wolf not able to blow the brick house away? Answer. Because the brick house was strong, not breakable easily. Write three words to describe Gonu's house. Answer. Strong, unbreakable, safe. Activity 6.1.4 Read the passage and sequence the events in a correct order by giving numbers. Pintu went to the store with his mother. They bought milk and cereal. Next, they went to purchase the books. On their way home, they stopped for ice cream. Books, milk, ice cream, cereal. Activity 6.1.5 Steps of making tea are given in a jumbled order. Rearrange them and write in the space given. Add some sugar and milk. Strain tea solids and pour hot tea into teacups. Put tea powder in the boiling water. Boil some water. Steps of making tea. First one, boil some water. Second one, put tea powder in the boiling water. Third one, add some sugar and milk. Fourth one, strain tea solids and pour hot tea into teacups. Activity 6.1.6 Now write the steps of making lemon juice. Take some water, add some sugar and lemon juice and mix it and strain into cups. Activity 6.2.1 Read the story. The sky is falling. A hare heard a loud sound. It was frightened. It shouted, "The sky is falling." Other animals heard this. They saw the hare running. They were frightened too. All of them started running. A lion saw them running and stopped them. He asked, "Why are you running?" They said, "The sky is falling, so we are running." The lion asked, "Where is the sky falling?" "There," the animals shouted. The lion went there to see. He saw only a fallen branch of a tree. "So that is the sky," he laughed. All the animals laughed too. They all returned to their homes. Activity 6.2.2 Now enact it. Form a group of 5. Each one of you must take a role: the lion and the hare and any 3 other animals shown in the picture. Read the story paying attention to the words but also the description of actions and expressions. Shout, laugh, frightened, stopped. Act out the story with the words, expression, and actions. The characters of the story are rabbit, lion, cow, elephant, deer. Rabbit: I heard a loud sound. Maybe the sky is falling. The rabbit started to run. Deer: Why are you running? Rabbit: The sky is falling. Run, run, run. Cow: Hello, deer. Why are you running? Deer: The sky is falling. Run, run, run. Elephant: Hello, cow. Why are you running? Cow: The sky is falling. Run, run, run. Lion: Why are you all running? All animals: The sky is falling. Run, run, run. Lion: Where is the sky falling? All animals: Here, here, here. Lion: Stop, I will see and confirm. The lion saw only a dry branch of a tree has fallen. Lion: Ha ha ha. So that is the sky. Now return to your homes. All the animals laughed and returned their homes. Activity 6.2.3 Now look at the poem and recite it. We are the signals you find us on roads. Red says stop, green says go, yellow says wait, even if you are late. Characters in the poem are red signal, yellow signal, green signal. Now write the dialogues of red. Hello, I am red. Red means stop. Green. Hello, I am green signal. I allow you to go or move. Yellow. Hello, I am yellow signal. I suggest you to wait. 6.3 uses punctuation marks appropriately in writing such as capital letters, full stop, comma, question mark, and exclamation marks. Activity 6.3.1 rewrite the following sentences using punctuations. Has Deepthi submitted her project? Answer. Question mark is put. Rama. Ram's handwriting is beautiful. Ram's handwriting is beautiful. What a fine day it is. Kashmir is the heaven on the earth. Hurrah! India has won the Cricket World Cup. Here, exclamatory mark is and full stop put the full stop. I have visited the Mysore Palace twice. Mr. Narendra Modi is our Prime Minister. Wealth may seek us, but wisdom must be sought. Activity 6.3.2 rewrite the passage with correct punctuation marks. Dad and I went to buy a Christmas tree. There were big trees, small trees, tall trees, and little trees. Which tree do you like the most? Dad asked. I looked and then I selected a tree. We paid for the tree, put it in our car, and took it home. Here we rewrite the passage by putting the commas, exclamatory marks, question marks, full stop,